Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today will be our final video in the I-10 series for now, as we've already covered I-10 from Lafayette to New Orleans. Please check out our I-10 series playlist to continue from here. We begin today on I-10 East at mile 76 at the interchange with Louisiana Highway 91. We enter the city of Crowley, which was founded in 1886 by C.C. Dusan and W.W. Dusan. Incorporated in 1887, W.W. Dusan, general manager of Southwest Louisiana Land Company, plotted and developed Crowley. W.W. Dusan's daughter, Mamie Dusan, married Percy Lee Lawrence, who founded the First National Bank of Crowley. The 7-story building was once the tallest building between Houston and New Orleans. The town was named after Pat Crowley, an Irish railroad owner who brought the railroad depot to W.W. Dusan's land. Descendants of founder W.W. Dusan continue to live in Crowley today. Crowley is the parish seat of Acadia Parish and has a population of 13,060 as of 2016. We enter the city of Rayne, the frog capital of the world. Rayne traditionally held its yearly frog festival on the first full weekend of September. It was moved to the second full weekend in November from 2008 to 2014. As of 2015, the festival is held Mother's Day weekend. Rayne has an estimated population of 8,134 as of 2016. We enter Dusan, Louisiana, which straddles the border of Acadia Parish and Lafayette Parish. The town was named after Curly Dusan, a legendary sheriff of St. Landry Parish. Originally known as Dusan Station, the town was laid out by J.G. Parkerson, general manager of the Louisiana Western Railroad. The village of Dusan was incorporated on December 16, 1909. As of 2016, the estimated population of Dusan was 1,754. We enter Lafayette Parish, founded in 1823. It was named in honor of the Marquis de Lafayette, the French general who took part in the Continental Army in the American Revolutionary War and financially aided it. Lafayette Parish is part of the Lafayette Metropolitan Statistical Area and Lafayette-Opelousas Morgan City Combined Statistical Area. Lafayette Parish has a population of 241,398 individuals. We enter the city of Scott, which is known as the city where the West begins. If you're heading west, I guess. So I suppose this is the city where the West ends for us. It is believed that the slogan started because Scott was where Eastern train fare rates ended and West line fare rates began. That sounds good enough to me. Scott had an estimated population of 8,733 as of 2016. We enter the city of Lafayette, the parish seat of Lafayette Parish. Lafayette is the fourth largest city in Louisiana with a population of 127,626. The city is home to the University of Louisiana at Lafayette, as well as South Louisiana Community College. Here we see the current southern terminus of I-49, which connects with I-10 at a large cloverleaf interchange. The Evangeline Thruway is to the south, which is a future corridor of I-49's planned extension to New Orleans. We'll conclude this video here. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If 10 or more people check that site out and buy something, I'll even say the word MERCH in a voiceover, and it can be used against me however you want. Anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.